to assign a role of a user administrator and help desk administrator, and what is the difference between a user administrator and help desk administrator. Now first you have to log into the entra.microsoft.com. After that you will select the identity. Here you will select roles and admin. As in our last video, we have assigned a global administrator rights and that can manage all aspects of Microsoft Entra ID and manage services that use Microsoft Entra identity. For a user, what user administrator can manage? User administrator can manage all aspects of users and groups, including resetting password for limited admins. And the help desk administrator can only reset the password but cannot manage the users and groups. As for help desk can reset password for non-administrators and help desk administrator. Now we will assign a role of help desk administrator to a user so that he can reset the user's password. So in your organization you have to specify a help desk guy who can reset the password for your organization users. So I will select Ali Khan and give him a role of a help desk administrator that he can reset the user's password. And one more user I will select for a user administrator. Select user administrator that can manage all aspects of users and groups. Also he has the rights of to reset the password. So I will select the other user. That is Shabir. So now we will test these both users which have the user administrator rights and the help desk administrator. Role has been applied to users as Ali Khan was applied help desk administrator that he can only reset the user's password. Now we will check that he can only reset the password or he can edit the attributes of users. So I will select any of the users, Umair or Shabir. As you can see that the edit property has been grayed out. If I want to delete this user, I am unable to delete this user, so I will select reset password. It did not give me a permission to reset the password because it is a part of admin group. So I will select the user that is a non-admin in a non-admin group, ABC. If I select reset password, it will reset the password. We will move to the Ali Khan to whom we have assigned a user administrator right that he can edit the attributes and can also reset the password. As I have opened it in Ignitor mode, so select identity and select users. If I will select a Shabir, so as he can edit the Shabir properties and add attributes. You can add and on simply save. He can also delete user. He can also reset the password, but he cannot add a domain. Now we will try to add a domain name. As you can see, he did not have a rights to make any changes in Entra.